Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. Thanks for watching. My name is Rich Tehrani. We are at Interop New York 2010 today at the Javits Center, and on our program is Dean Wiech. He's the president of Tools4ever. How are you, Dean?
Doing well, thank you.
So tell us a little bit about Tools4ever.
Sure, Tools4ever is specializing in user and password management for companies of all sizes, schools, hospitals. Basically, we help organizations automate the process of user account creation, user account management as people's roles change within the organization, and eventually shutting off their access to all systems when they leave the organization.
So when you first get your service into the company, is it a software or a service?
It is a software.
So I install your software, then I configure it?
Yes, typically we do the configuration for our clients.
And once it's configured, you try to make it seamless for them to do some of the functions that used to take a lot of time from an IT person.
Correct. Normally an IT person has to sit down, or a help desk person, and do a lot of manual entry. Very error prone and very time consuming. And we try to automate that as much as humanly possible.
How have you seen the market evolve over the last few years?
More and more of our clients are moving towards Microsoft's Active Directory for managing access to everything within their network, and the management of that is very time consuming and very detail oriented, and obviously can be very costly if you give people that don't need access to certain applications or certain groups the ability to have it.
Sure, there's compliance issues as well.
Absolutely.
Right?
One of the things that we do for a lot of our clients is SARBOX type reporting or HIPAA type reporting, where on a monthly or quarterly basis, everyone needs to verify, the managers need to verify who their employees are, what rights they have to certain applications, and then again, when an employee leaves, making sure that their access to everything is turned off in a timely manner.
Now, how do customers justify purchasing from you? Do they do some sort of return on investment analysis, or is it that they are concerned about being out of compliance?
It's a little bit of both. The compliance is a major issue, obviously, an organization of any size. But for example, in schools, they may need to create 1,000 accounts every year as new students join. And having someone type that all in can be a very lengthy process. We can accomplish that literally in a matter of seconds.
Wow, once it's in an Excel spreadsheet or something, you somehow import it?
Either in an Excel spreadsheet, or in a lot of cases, we'll go directly to a human resource or student information system and look for the updates, changes, adds, deletes.
So what's next for the company?
We've recently ventured into the market of single sign-on and password management, being able to reduce those calls to the help desk, people forgetting their password. So
password resets as well?
Password resets, absolutely. Very similar to what you'd see in a lot of websites where you answer a series of challenge questions and then can reset your password. We're doing that for Active Directory applications and the Windows network in general.
Sounds like a booming market as well. I mean, such a big problem for companies as they grow, all the users forgetting their passwords and then taxing an IT department that doesn't have any time to be taxed.
Absolutely. A recent study indicated that almost 40% of all calls to the help desk were to reset passwords that have been forgotten. So very time consuming and again, a very expensive problem.
Yeah, we've got a few machines in our office that I forget the password. I'm chronically forgetting the passwords on. So I know that I've called my IT team recently, just this month, at least once, asking them for the password. Not a reset in this case, but just asking them what the password was. So
right. And along those lines, we're also venturing into the market of single sign-on. So those passwords and usernames that you need to remember for a variety of applications or machines, we're recording them in a database in a secure fashion. So your initial Windows logon will allow you the authorization to any application that you're allowed to use.
That's great. Really, really great. So, well, it sounds very exciting. I wish you the best of luck, and thanks. This is your first time on our program?
It is, yes, absolutely.
Great. So you're welcome to come back when you've got some new products you want to talk about, and we're thrilled to have you on. So
thank you.
Have a great show.
Appreciate it.